Okay students, रिविजन ऑफ सॉन्ग वी शैल ओवरकम. ओके, अब आप भी मेरे साथ साथ रिसाइट करिए. वी शैल ओवरकम, वी शैल ओवरकम, वी शैल ओवरकम someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand, we will walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. देखिए, this is the picture and इसको practice करिए. Now we will do the story Hunter and the Pigeons. Okay, इस बार मैं एक एक पेज रीड करके क्वेश्चंस भी करूँगी. Name of the story is The Hunter and the Pigeons. Name of the story is The Hunter and the Pigeons. Once there was a flock of pigeons that lived in a banyan tree. One day the pigeons were flying in search of food. अब देखिए, group of birds को क्या कहते हैं? What do you call the group of birds? Flock of birds कहते हैं उसको. Flock of pigeons. Where did all the pigeons live? कहाँ रहते थे? The pigeons lived in a banyan tree. Pigeons lived in a banyan tree. Why were all the pigeons flying? क्यों उड़ रहे थे? In search of food. Okay? अब अगला पेज देखिए. They saw plenty of grains scattered on the ground. They felt very happy and flew down to pick up the grains. उन्होंने क्या देखा? बहुत सारे दाने देखे. They saw many grains scattered on the ground. What did they see? What did all the pigeons see on the ground? They saw plenty of grains. क्या आंसर होगा? They saw plenty of grains. They felt very happy and flew down to pick up the grains. Unfortunately, क्या हो गया? It turned out to be a trap. Who laid the trap? Who laid the trap for the pigeons? क्वेश्चन ये होगा, who laid the trap? कौन, किसने ट्रैप बिछाया? जाल किसने बिछाया? The answer is hunter. Who laid the trap for the pigeons? The hunter. Okay. The pigeons were scared. They knew they were going to die. Okay, यहाँ तक हो गया. And now next. But the wise leader of the pigeons told them. उसमें से एक लीडर था ना, उसने क्या बोला? Don't be afraid. If we will all fly together, we can escape. If we all fly together with the net, we can escape. Okay. तब इसका देखिए, wise leader. What did the wise leader tell? What did the wise leader tell? The wise leader told not to be afraid. Not to be afraid and we can escape. Okay, ये बोलना है आपने. Not to be afraid and we all can escape. We all can fly together. ऐसे बोलना है. Then उसके बाद the hunter was surprised to see the pigeons flying away. Why was the hunter surprised? अब ये क्वेश्चन है जैसे, why was the hunter surprised? The hunter was surprised to see the pigeons flying. To see the pigeons flying away. Why was the hunter surprised? माने क्यों, कैसे, हैरान क्यों हुआ? तो आप क्या बोलोगे? The hunter was surprised to see the pigeons flying away. Okay. I have an old friend who can help us. अब वाइस लीडर ने क्या बोला कि उसका एक दोस्त है जो वो हेल्प करेगा. Who was the friend? Who was the friend the pigeon was talking about? Who was the friend? तो क्या बोलोगे? The answer is rat. Who was the friend? Who was the old friend the leader was talking about? तो आप क्या बोलोगे? A rat. Okay. Let us all go there, said the leader. लीडर ने कहा कि हम लोग चलो उसके पास चलते हैं. Then he led them to the friend's place. अब दोस्त रैट के पास ले गया वो सारे पिजन्स को. The leader called out his friend and he came out of his hole. तो कहाँ से आया वो रैट? कहाँ से निकल कर आया? होल से. Seeing his friend and the other pigeons in trouble, a rat called his folks. Who did the rat call? Rat called all his folks, all his friends. Okay? All the rats came out of their holes and worked on the net. What did all the rats do? क्या किया rats ने? क्या बोलोगे? They cut the threads of the net. What did all the rats do to help the pigeons? तो आप क्या बोलोगे? All the rats cut the threads of the net. किससे किया था? With their sharp teeth. अब in no time the pigeons were free. फिर क्या हुआ? लास्ट में क्या हुआ स्टोरी में? They thanked the rats. All the pigeons thanked the rats and flew home. Flew home माने उड़कर अपने घर गए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब ऐसे है, इसको आप रीड करते रहिए, इसको समझते रहिए और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी आप बोल सकेंगे. ओके, देन सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, ऑनलाइन क्लास. बाय बाय.